Karen, this is a good area for your project. And it's a good way to continue to brainstorm for ideas to narrow this down. So I'm going to make some comments and suggestions, loud and stylistic, how to write. But they're not so much criticism as they are comments on how to continue to look for your problem of practice. And I guess the first thing is the problem of practice is not the reading intervention model. The problem of practice is students aren't reading at the grade level they should be. One possible solution might be to improve the pull-out reading model, but there are other possible solutions as well. So you're presupposing the solution, and again, it's probably a good one. But as far as the research, as a researcher, your problem with practice, students in your setting are not reading at the level they should be. But you're focused mainly on trying to get teachers to support the intervention plan. But I want you to cast a wider net right now. One possible solution is the intervention plan, but there are others as well. So continue to do that. Spread your net wider and look for other things that might improve student reading. We also write as in third person. So it's not so much what we have done, but what we're looking for. So we write in third person. And these are things you've done which have led you to write this paper. They're not necessarily part of this paper. Your problem of practice is to improve student reading at such and such a site, such and such a group. And then you look at the research. And again, we write in third person. Studies that focus on Tier 2 interventions showed that efficacy in small group learning. And so you don't put the titles of the research in there. You just put the authors' names. And again, you move away from the I. And you're describing the research process more than you're describing what you found. So again, you're looking to support the intervention. And I actually switch your perspective a bit there. But reading is certainly the most important of all, I think, that we need to look at. But again, this is a recommendation to improve the intervention. And again, I think that's a good way to approach it, but looking for more ways will help you as well. So keep doing what you're doing, but keep focused on these students aren't reading well. How can we improve that? And it might be that you end up working on the intervention model, but I urge you right now to focus on improving reading and cast a wide net.